So good morning. Yesterday we have studied about dot product. Now we will do some problems based on this dot product. Now find the angle between two vectors a bar and b bar with the magnitude root 3 and root 3 and 2 and respectively, and having a bar dot b bar is equal to root 6. You know a bar dot b bar is equal to what? AB cos theta. So what is cos theta? A bar dot b bar by A is actually modulus A bar. B is actually modulus B bar. What is our A bar dot B bar? Root 6. And modulus A bar is root 3 into 2. So what is answer? Root 3 by root 3 and root 6 cancel. Root 3 and root 6 cancel means this is root 2. So root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 is what? 1 by root 2. If cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, what is theta? Theta is equal to pi by 4. Next, find the angle between the vectors. Find the angle between the vectors I cap minus j cap. So take it as a bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. B bar is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So we have to find out angle. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by modulus A bar into modulus B bar. So I cap minus 2j cap dot 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap divided by root of 1 squared plus minus 2 squared plus 3 squared to 3 squared plus minus 2 squared plus 1 squared. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 by root 14 into root 14. So 10 by 14. 10 by 14 is what? 5 by 7. So theta is equal to what? Cos inverse 5 by 7. This is the angle. Now, what is the next question? Find the projection of vector find the projection of vector I cap minus j cap on the vector I cap plus j cap. So you take A bar is equal to what? I cap minus j cap. B bar is equal to what? I cap plus j cap. Projection of A bar on B bar. Projection of A bar on B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar by modulus B bar. So I cap minus j cap dot I cap plus j cap by root of 1 squared plus 1 squared. So 0. 1 minus 1 by root 2. So 0. So projection of A bar on B bar is what? Root 2. Projection of A bar on B bar is root 2. Next. Find a projection of vector A bar is equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap. B bar is equal to 7I cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. So projection of A bar on B bar is what? A bar dot B bar by modulus B bar. So I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap dot 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap by root of 7 squared plus minus 1 squared plus 8 squared. So answer is what? Equal to 7 minus 3 plus 56 by 49 plus 1 plus 64. 56 plus 7 60 by root 114. So this is the production. Now what is next? Show that each of the given three vectors is a unit vector. Unit vector means you take a bar is equal to first 1 by 7 into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. What is modulus a bar? 1 by 7 into 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 6 squared. So 1 by 7 into root of 49. So 1 by 7 into 7. So its modulus is 1. So what you can say, since modulus a bar is equal to 1, a bar is a unit vector. Similarly, you can prove, you have to prove it. Modulus b bar is equal to modulus c bar is equal to 1. That you have to prove. Now also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. How to show they are mutually perpendicular to each other? Show it is mutually perpendicular to each other. Take a bar is equal to 1 by 7 into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. B bar is equal to 1 by 7 into 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. What is a bar dot b bar? 1 by 7 to 1 by 7, 1 by 49 into 2 into 3, 6 minus 18 plus 12. 1 by 49 into 18 minus 18. So 1 by 49 into 0. So a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Similarly, therefore a bar and b bar are perpendicular. Similarly, you have to prove that b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. Similarly, you have to prove b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. So we have to prove that b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. C bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Therefore, they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay. Next. Find modulus a bar and modulus b bar. If a bar plus b bar minus a bar dot a bar minus b bar is equal to 8 and a bar is equal to modulus a bar is 8 into b bar. So a bar plus b bar, that means a bar squared minus b bar squared is equal to 8. What is a bar? 8 into modulus b bar squared minus modulus b bar squared is equal to 8. So 63 into modulus b bar squared is equal to 8. So modulus b bar squared is equal to 863. B bar is equal to what? Root of 8 base. It should be positive. So then what is a modulus a bar? Modulus a bar is equal to 8 into root 8 by 63. Next question number 7. Evaluate the product 3a bar minus 5b bar dot. So 3a bar minus 5b bar dot 2a bar plus 7b bar. So you know a bar dot a bar is what? A squared. So you can write it as 3 into 2, 6 a bar squared plus 21 a bar dot b bar Next, 10 a bar dot b. B bar dot a bar is a bar dot b minus 35 b bar square. So this is actually 6a square plus 11 a bar dot b bar minus 35 b square. Next one. Find the magnitude of two vectors a bar and b bar. The magnitude of vectors a bar and b bar having same magnitude. That means modulus a bar is equal to what? Modulus b bar. As an angle between them, theta is equal to what? 60 degree. And their scalar product is 1/2. So you know a bar dot b bar is equal to what? Modulus a bar into modulus b bar into cos theta. So a bar dot b bar is 1/2. Modulus a bar, both are equal. So modulus a bar into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1/2. 1/2 is equal to modulus a bar squared into 1/2. So modulus a bar squared is equal to 1. So modulus a bar is equal to what? 1. If modulus a bar is equal to 1, what is modulus b bar? Modulus b bar is also 1. What is the next question? Find modulus x bar for a unit vector. So unit vector a bar means modulus a bar is equal to what? 1. So x bar squared minus a bar squared is equal to 12. X bar squared minus a bar squared is means modulus a bar squared is equal to 12. X bar squared minus 1 is equal to 12. 1 squared is equal to 12. So that means x bar squared minus 1 is equal to 12. X bar squared is equal to 13. X bar is equal to what? Root to 13. So modulus x bar is equal to what? Root 13. Next step. If a bar is equal to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, b bar is equal to I minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap, c bar is equal to 3 I cap plus j cap, such that a bar plus lambda b bar. So what is a bar plus lambda b bar? 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap dot b bar is what? Lambda into plus lambda into b bar is minus I cap a plus 2 j cap a plus k cap. So 2 minus lambda into I cap plus 2 lambda into j cap plus 3 plus lambda into k cap. 2 minus lambda into I cap plus 2 lambda into j cap plus 3 plus lambda into k cap. This a bar plus lambda b bar is perpendicular to c bar. Since a bar plus lambda b bar is perpendicular to c bar, what you can write? A bar plus lambda b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 minus lambda into I cap plus 2 lambda into j cap plus 3 plus lambda into k cap dot c bar is what? 3 I cap plus j cap is equal to 0. So 3 into 2 minus lambda plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. 3 plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. So what you will get? 8 minus lambda is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 8.